STS Mega Tank tanking kit is a one-coat tanking system for waterproofing wet areas before tiling. This would usually be a bathroom, a wet room or a shower room. What's included in this kit I will go through now. Firstly, we have the instructions on how to use. We have gloves for safety. We have the block brush for application. We have a roll of 10 meters of the Mega Tape, the waterproof tape. We have our unique primer with extra quartz crystals for more grip. And lastly, we have the 4 kg of the Blue Tank tanking membrane. What our customers love about this product is it all comes together in one bucket. It covers an 8 square meter coverage, which is a large coverage for a tanking kit. It's only one coat and it dries within 2 hours, so you can tile onto it very quickly. These tanking kits are available at any of your local stockists.